in carbon nitrogen cycle, the carbon should be is attract the proton should be continuously. Finally, it will be emitted to that alpha particle. Again, it will be is emitted to the carbon nuclide. Okay, this equation we want to be observe with the help of that number of protons how like should be is interacted to that carbons. First of all, carbon atomic number is equal to 6 and atomic mass is equal to 12. This one should be is attracted to the proton. It will be emitted to that, and one more new atom, that one is nothing but nitrogen N713, as well as it will be emitted to the some amount of energy. Look here, C612 should be attracted to the proton. It will be emitted to that one more new element, that one is the nitrogen N713. It will be released some amount of energy Q1. This nitrogen also, it will be split into that carbon as well as to that emitted to that one more atom is nothing but positron N713. It will be split into that carbon C613 as well as to that one more element is nothing but positron 0. Now this carbon C613 again interact to that proton. It will be due to that one more new element is nothing but N714. C613, it will be combined together proton, otherwise attract to the proton. It will be due to that one more new element is nothing but nitrogen N714. It will be released some more amount of energy. Let be that one is called Q2. Next, this nitrogen also should be is attracted to that proton. It will be due to that one more new element is nothing but oxygen N714 should be attracted to that proton H11, gives rise to O815. Yes, 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 8 atomic number of the element is nothing but oxygen. 14 plus 1 is equal to 15, as well as it will be released some amount of energy is nothing but Q3. Now this oxygen also split into that more two elements. That one is that N715 is nothing but nitrogen, and one more element is nothing but positron.
ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కావాలి అంటే మా ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసి లైక్, షేర్, కామెంట్ చేయండి.
O815 gives rise to N715 plus positron E plus 1 0. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 15 plus 0 is equal to 15, as well as it will be release some amount of that energy. Now in this case, this one is N715 also attracted to that proton, and it will be due to that carbon particle as well as to that emitted to that alpha particle. Finally, N715 plus should be attracted to that proton, gives rise to carbon C612. Yes, 7 plus 1 8, and here 6 only there, and remaining number is nothing but 2. That one is that helium 2. Yes, here 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Here 12 only there, and 16 minus 12 is become to the 4. Okay, finally we got to that original element is nothing but carbon as well as to that emitted to that alpha particle. From this carbon nitrogen cycle, we want to be get to that energy is approximately 27 mega electron volt. This is about of the carbon nitrogen cycle. Thank you.